Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to touch base on how to run your slide room in if you lose power, don't have power, or something happens to the slide and you can't get it in. Many coaches out there have what's called a through floor slide system, and if they're an electric motor, they're going to have something like this possibly on the outside of your coach, or maybe just tucked underneath the rolled metal that you have on the bottom here. Behind this little tube, and we'll show this in the video, is there's a rod that has a T on it, and you're going to have a rod that comes with your coach. You can manually crank this. So if you have a power tongue jack or anything like that, you have several different cranks in there. One of those rods is to manually bring in the slide system. So if you have a problem where the motor quits working, or you lose power or something along those lines, and you can't get the room in, these are equipped with the manual override. Now, that's not true for every manual or every slide out system out there, but the majority of them that have the slide room that goes underneath the floor and pushes them out, you'll have this system in there. Now, if you have hydraulics, you can run the motor. If you have a Schwintek system, it does have a box that can put it into an override mode that will potentially bring it in for you. But if you have the traditional through frame slide system, you'll have something possible like this, or wherever the coach may be, or the slide may be, and there's a rod back there that you can manually turn the motor. Now, remember that wherever this is located is going to be on the opposite side of the room, and if the room is in the front of the coach or the rear of the coach or in the middle, wherever it may be, that's where you're going to want to look, because that's attached to the motor that's on this side to bring in the room that's on the other side. So if you have opposing slides, one will be for one side, one will be for the other, but they're opposite. But this is a way that you can manually run your rooms in if you have a power issue.